Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to March. Today is March 1st, and I'm so excited for you to have this day to get your work done and enjoy your life. You know, your work in your home is not your life, so don't dilly-dally. Don't stretch it out. Get it done. Get up in the morning, do your routines, do your zone work. If you can, get your basic weekly plan done. You know, that would be like weekly home blessing or planning and desk day or errand day or car and purse day, those things. And then enjoy the day. You're going to do some clutter stops during the day, which prevent you from having clutter build up, because in this period of time you will be decluttering in those 15-minute zones each part of your house in little bits, 15 minutes a day, 4 times a week. Or if you are a payroll homemaker, 1 hour on your off day in the morning, along with the weekly home blessing hour. That's what you do. But for those of us who are at home, I'm actually a working homemaker, but I'm at home working. So you can have a morphed kind of system, and that's fine too. But we want to get that zone work done and know that it's not going to finish all of the zone decluttering you have to have done, but little by little, the dripping of water wears away stone. You're going to have the things picked up and put away, and eventually you'll be able to deep clean those areas. I know it has been a while for some of you because you've let it get out of hand. Do not panic. Take a breath. Take a couple of breaths. Have your plan. Follow the plan. The beauty of having a plan is that you know what you have to do next. I am not requiring you to work all day long. It's just a couple of hours at the most that you have to work in your home. Now, your routines are going to be constant. They're happening every day. You're getting up, you're getting dressed, you're brushing your teeth, things like that. Those are your routines. Doing laundry is routine. But doing those special things, the zone work and the basic weekly plan, that requires a plan. And sometimes for our routines, we need a plan if we've gotten confused on those. So if you haven't written out your plan using a planner every day, then I'm going to suggest that you watch How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. It's an oldie but a goodie on this channel. And get a piece of paper, get a newspaper, get a piece of paper, get a pencil, write notes. I'll tell you when to stop and take notes. And then get your life together. Claim it back. We are in March. If you want even more help, on my Patreon channel for the month of March, I'm talking about how to be the CEO of your home, which means that you are ultimately responsible for the work that happens in your home, but you're not ultimately responsible for doing every single thing. So that's in Patreon. You can go to patreon.com, A Better Life with FlyLady Kat, and that's $5 a month. You get 20 videos or more a month, Monday through Friday. They're released early in the morning so you can watch it first thing and get your day going. I tell you exactly what to do every day. But if you don't know anything, please start with How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. And if you know and you've just fallen off your planner, get back on your planner, recommit. Take a breath, recommit, write it out. You know, I love those friction pens, these friction pens. I get them on Amazon, not sponsored. These pens are fabulous. I've got one out now that I've been writing with. I love these because I can write in my planner with them, and if I make a mistake, I can erase it. Or, as a thinking woman, if something comes up during the day that needs me to change my plan, I can change my plan, because when we have all those erasures in our books or all those scratch outs in our books, you know, that make it look nasty, we don't want to use it. And this makes your planner stay pretty. So I suggest you use friction pens. Okay, so that's it for today. Recommit, step in where you stepped out. Know that all of your other fly babies, all of us, are on the same train. If you've fallen off, we're reaching our hand out to pull you back on board. You can do this. And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.